rather colder spell just at the present time, but more of a cold snap, I think, for the whole country as we head towards the weekend. That's the way it looks just at the moment anyway. This is how the satellite picture looks. You can see a good deal of cloud spread right across the central and southern areas of the country. That's bringing some rain, heading away eastwards, and a little curl of cloud also bringing some wet weather up in the north of Britain too. Both areas of cloud tied in with weather fronts, they should be moving away, allowing clearer conditions to move in later on during today. Windy day though, and this is the way it's going to stay right the way through this coming week and the end of the weekend too. The strongest winds today certainly over the more northern areas of Scotland, parts of Northern Ireland too, exposed spots having severe gale force winds there. And that rain, those winds I should say, are gradually pushing that rain away eastwards. So still some wet weather to come in eastern areas and especially across in eastern Scotland. Already the sunshine and showers are marching on though, and they'll chase that rain away from virtually everywhere by the end of the afternoon. Those showers begin to turn a bit more wintry over the hills in western Scotland by the end of this afternoon into this evening. To start off with though, it's much too mild for snow. The winds from the southwest at the moment means mild weather, but as the clearer weather begins to push through, so the winds turn more westerly and the temperatures will start to drop a bit later on. That means there'll be some sleet and snow showers up in Scotland for a time during tonight. And by and large though, we'll see more in the way of rain gathering and pushing into Northern Ireland and western Scotland. It'll start to become more drizzly with a little bit of patchy rain around some of these other western coasts later on in the night too. Further east it will remain mostly clear, especially in England. There temperatures could get down to about 2 or 3 with the odd touch of ground frost just in sheltered spots because it will stay quite windy. As far as tomorrow is concerned, well, the cloud continuing to spill in from the west, bringing yet more rain. So another wet day, another cloudy day and another windy day. And by the end of the afternoon, still raining over much of central and southern England, Wales too. Further north, a change once more to sunshine and some of those wintry showers pushing in. Temperatures beginning to drop a little up in the north. Now that change comes about behind this low pressure here. You see cold air sucked in behind it. This is going to continue to happen as we see another low pressure area, a major one, form up to the north of Scotland, most likely through Saturday and Sunday, dragging some very strong winds and cold air with it. So that cold snap, most likely for Saturday and Sunday, does mean there'll be some frost around at night later on in the week. But remember, it's always going to be windy. Down in the southern half of England and Wales through Friday and parts of Saturday, it'll still be quite cloudy, but then sunshine, showers and blizzards in the north.